Alrighty guys, so for today's video we're going to go ahead and pick up some stuff today. I got something that I've been wanting to get for a long time and I've been eyeing it, but I haven't like really gone for it. So today is the day. We're going to go ahead and pick that stuff up today and get it installed in the car. So all I'm picking up right now is the fuel system and the throttle cable. So we're going to go ahead and get that taken care of today.
In the garage.
Alrighty, so here we go. We got the throttle cable right here. It's all brand new. Need to install this because the throttle body, like, it opens but not fully all the way, so hopefully this helps it open up all the way. I ended up getting the fuel rail with the pressure gauge and all this other stuff, and I also got these injectors, so we just need the clip and then I should be able to put them on. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and get this tent on. Adrian's getting this new tent thing going. So we're gonna go ahead and remove all the other ones. We already got the two back ones. We just need this back piece right here, and that's about it. So we can't wait for that. Get that all going. But right now we're just taking this one off, and then gonna get started on tinting it. Alrighty. So in the meantime, while Adrian gets all the tint off, I'm gonna go ahead and install this throttle cable to get it on there already. So all I know is I gotta get rid of this long ass wire right here. Goes from here all the way around and then goes through there. So I'm gonna have to get that taken out first, and then I'll go ahead and install this one, and hopefully this finally fixes that opening. So let's go ahead and get this installed. Alrighty, so here's the K-Tune throttle cable. As you can see, it's way shorter than this thing over here. See if I can get you guys in on that. So as you guys can see, it's way bigger than this thing right here. That thing reaches from there all the way wrapped around to there. So we're gonna go ahead and take that one off. I honestly didn't see any videos on how to install this thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and help you guys out, hopefully, how to install this, as this is my first time too. So I'm gonna go ahead and start removing that piece and then throw this one on, and then see for the gapping on the throttle body thingy. So let's go ahead and see. Alrighty, so as you guys can see, the throttle line goes right there, so the throttle cable. I just happened to mess with this thing, push it up, that's all you gotta do, and then it falls right off. So there's a little clip right here, as you can see, has a little opening, so you just slide it off right there. Let me see if I can focus in on it. So as you can see, that thing has a little clip right there, so you just simply move it to the side, and then I'm gonna have to figure out how to take that little clip off right there. So I'm gonna figure out how to get that off and get right back to you guys. Alrighty, so looking at this thing right here, let me get the light on there really quick. So looking at that thing right there, it has four clips. So out of those 4 clips, 2 of them are gonna slide right out. So as you can see, the ones right there, which I'm gonna put with the arrows. Oh, let me focus in on that again. So as you can see, the ones I'm gonna point with the arrows, those you gotta get out of the thing. So you're gonna twist it and push it out into the openings that it has. So as you guys can see, that hole right there, it's finally out. So I'm gonna just pull out everything and get started with the other throttle cable. So right there, that's the cable coming out, and it connects all the way over here. So I'm gonna pull that out and get this thing taken off and then install the other one. Just as you can see, we're going from this long ass cable to this little one. That's like half the size right there. Look at that. That's crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. I think I gotta take off this plastic piece. I think this one actually has it. So I don't gotta take anything off, it's just plug and play. So I'm gonna stick this through, get it installed and thrown on. Alrighty, so I managed to get the throttle cable on there. It sits a little bit off into the battery right here, and I just hinged it right there. But I'll fix that eventually. I just want to go ahead and get it installed and then check the throttle cable on the inside and then get that all adjusted and going. So I'm gonna have to take the air intake off and check for fitment, or the throttle thing. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Alrighty, so I finally was able to get it there. I honestly maxed it out all the way. That's crazy how much fucking maxing out you need to do. But it's finally open, so I'm gonna let my sister hit it. You're gonna see that thing open up real quick. And go! Yeah. Alright, so I gotta fix that really quick. the stage stuck open, so I'm gonna have to fix that. We found the issue as to why it did that. So this piece right here gets stuck into that, and I'll show you guys right now. So can you hit it? Is it open? Or you hitting the pedal? All right, so right there. Let it go, and then you see how it gets caught right there, which leaves that thing stuck open. So once I move this thing out of the way, you'll see it fall into place. There you go, you see? So I'm gonna have to end up cutting that piece out and getting rid of it because I won't need it anyways. So since it's already maxed out down here. Hell yeah.
We're about to fuck shit up.
So
we about to fuck shit up.
yeah, we're about to fuck shit up today. So homie just got some Hasport motor mounts right there, just chilling. He ended up losing them through FedEx like once, and then or USPS.
And I got jacked.
Yeah, he got jacked. They jacked that shit off of him, but we're here now. So we're gonna go ahead and try to attempt to do this. We did it once for my car. We got that one on, the one that's over there. This shit's bad. We jacked it up and the car literally went this way, or the motor, my bad. And then we're gonna take off this one right now and then work our way around. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully we can get it. What you think?
You about to get it, boy?
So we're gonna get to it. Alrighty, so this side we got it on there. We just need to adjust this side because this motor, once again, remember, it sits like this. And we found out the reason why. So this part right here, it literally has nothing holding it. So this dude has nothing. So we're gonna fix this side first, and hopefully it levels it out to get that side going. But damn, homie. Well, update, we fucking installed this shit. We thought this shit was gonna work because mine's different from his, but it fits.
My boy in the vlog,
Look at that gap. Shout out to that boy Adrian though. He's coming through with the fucking fixes. The mechanic right here. We're gonna open up a shop in the future. Watch.
AC certified.
Anyways, we were here working on this shit, and let me point the light real quick. We were struggling with this shit. We could have done this shit a long time ago. So we fucked up was on getting that shit right.
Fucked up in life.
So we had it down. We just needed a bolt from over here on this corner. The last bolt's like hidden. And then we decided to just take this bolt off, that one right there, and then take it off, move this, and then it was just a whole mess. But we got it on there. Tomorrow we just got to do the last one, which is the rear one. Anybody want a free sticker giveaway? Follow us at 600 followers. We'll release that sticker. But now we're almost done, so that's a good thing. And then we're set to go. But Briss is gonna run it with that boy Adrian with the Q. So we're gonna do the RSX with the Q out there. It's already rusty. But yeah, it's pretty much set for today. Tomorrow it's another day, and we're gonna get the back one taken care of. Alrighty, so this is gonna be a two-part video maybe, but pretty much with all the Hasport motor mounts, we ended up getting 2 of them on. The last one we couldn't do because one, we couldn't take one bolt off, and he was saying that maybe because the guy hit it with the air gun, and he really hit it really hard to the point where you can't even take it off. So he's gonna go to another shop and get it installed. Also, there's like a broken bolt in there, so he's gonna have to get that out and then install the last motor mount. But we're almost there. We just couldn't finish it because of that bolt and that broken bolt in there. Other than that, this is the wrap up of the tent. So let me show you guys really quick. So Adrian ended up tinting the windows. Don't call me out for that. I know I gotta fix that right there. But pretty much it's all 5% all the way around, all the way through. There you go. So it's 5% so far in the inside. It's like pretty dark in there. You can see clear as day, but from the outside you can't see anything. So my car is dirty, so it's gonna look a little dirty, but there it is. But yep, that pretty much wraps today's video up. I haven't done the wideband just yet, just because I'm waiting to update the K-tuner first before even touching that. And then that way I can wire one of these, I believe it's the white or the blue one, wire it onto the ECU, and then that way it can read the thing from the wideband to that, and then we can start getting that tuned. So I'm gonna install that once I get the fuel rail. Once I get that K-tuner upgraded, I'm gonna go ahead and install the fuel rail and the wideband and get that all taken care of. But that pretty much wraps up today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, comment. Drop a comment if you guys have any questions or what would you guys like to see. I have a couple things planned for this. I think we're gonna make another video like we did a long time ago in December. So a lot of things. I mean, a lot of things coming up slowly and surely, but yep, we're excited. We might get that rebuilt soon as well. Throw it up on the Honda. So little by little, we're getting there.